simplifying some algebraic expressions. If you look carefully, we're going to go through them one by one. So for example, we have negative 5a squared b cubed times 7ab squared c. So if you look carefully, we're going to multiply the coefficients first. So it's going to be negative 5 times 7 times, we're going to go after the a's now. We're going to have a, whenever you're multiplying bases that are the same, you always add the exponent. With any base standing by itself always has an exponent of 1. So now we can capture the a's and have 2 plus 1. Let's go after the b's now. We have b to the 3 plus 2. And remember, whenever the bases are the same and you're multiplying, you always add the exponents. We're going to have 3 plus 2. And c is standing all alone. So we could go and write our results finally for this one here and close it off. So we're going to have what as the results. We're going to have, as a result for that is that negative 5 times 7 is negative 35. And on the a, the exponent in this result here is 2 plus 1 is 3. For b, the exponent is 3 plus 2 is 5. And of course, c is the loner. So you just bring them back to c. And that's how you simplify an expression like that. So please note. Let's go on to the next one now. This is the fraction. So what you would have to do first of all is reduce your 12 and your 48. And 12 divided by 48 is a proper fraction. So it is not 4. Please note that. So what you'd have to do is find the highest common factor for 12 and 48, which is 12. So you're going to have 12 ones 12, 12 fours 48. So we're going to put our 1 over 4 here one time. And we're going to go for the basis of p, but they're dividing. Whenever you're dividing and the bases are the same, you always subtract the powers. So you're going to have 5 minus 2. And for the q's now, you're going to have 3 minus 4 for the q's. Please note, that's 3 minus 4. And from there now, what we could possibly do is we can leave this one out. That's not a problem. So we're going to put our 4 at the bottom. Let's see what happens. Put a 4 at the bottom. We have p today. Put our 4 at the bottom. So we have p today. 5 minus 2 is 3. And q today, 3 minus 4. Gotta be careful with this now. 3 minus 4 is not 1. 3 minus 4 is negative 1. And any negative exponent we have in the expression, we have to make it positive. And you have to remember any base to the negative exponent always goes to the bottom. So in order, we're going to have p cubed divided by 4. And this q is going to go at the bottom. And the 1, that negative 1 changes to a positive 1. So in other words, your answer is p cubed divided by 4q to the negative to positive 1. Got the sign on the change because it comes down based on the exponent rule. And finally, this here, I'm going to do an expansion of it so you can see what is going on with each element under that radical. That's the third root. So you're going to find the third root of 8 times the third root of m to the 6th times the third root of, so please notice expansion and don't get confused by it. But each element now is being sheltered from the rain or the sun, right? Of course, before they were sheltered, but they have their own individual umbrellas. I call the radicals umbrellas. From there now, we're going to have the third root of 8 is 2, because I'm going to put a tiny 2 here. If you don't see them, it's not a problem. Good. Because 2 times 2 times 2 gives you 8. Here we're going to have m, and please note what happens. The exponent is being divided by the index. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. And we're going to have the n now. We're going to do the same thing where we're going to have 24 divided by 3 is 8. And this is how you simplify algebraic expression of this sort. I would advise you to revisit the videos, and what you would have missed, you could always catch up on, and it is as simple as being explained. But remember that maths calls for practice. You got to make sure you're practicing because that's very important. And you have to make sure that you're consistently practicing. Good. So basically, that's it. It's always a pleasure serving you in this fashion. Remember that you're not a biological accident, you're not a mistake. You came to this life for purpose. So make sure you have that ingrained in your head. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you, and see you in the next video.